Good morning everyone. In this session we are going to discuss with the second unit, the Narayanpur incident. We are continuing the same unit. Yesterday we have completed up to 19. Okay, 1 to 19 we have completed. I think you don't have any doubt regarding this. And also the story we have seen, and also when they reached in front of the barred gate, the procession is coming, and also when they reached in front of the barred gates, okay, where is the barricade, okay. So one among them, okay, and also the police were standing there, and also DSP also was there, okay, and also so at last the people who were gathering there, okay, just like a students representative, okay, so representative one, okay, among them one came and just like they give one letter to a piece of letter to the DSP, okay, and also already you have seen what he has done with that paper, okay, so he took it without glancing, without looking it, and not already you have seen, and also after that they returned, okay, they returned means the police and also the yeah, just like a students, okay, and also just like a shouting like Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. Then after that, what happened? They briskly marched back the way they had come, as we have seen. And also when they reached home, just like what is that? Manju asked, okay, oh, only this much, just like oh, is that all? Okay, already she asked the same question also. Babu asked to Mohan, okay, so the reply already you have seen, just like a Mohan seemed immensely pleased with himself, scared, and also we had planned it in this way. We already said everything, and after that he said, okay, Babu asked, okay, just like what was the point then Mohan replied, so what was the point? Okay, so it is just like a declaration of war, okay, and also you are the enemies, okay, just like this is Mohan said to the just like a police officers, okay, just like the collector's office, and also they have given in the letter, no, it is there, okay, and after that you are saying, so what is in the letter? Babu asked again, okay, and what was the paper you gave the policeman? So Babu and Manju, both of them asked, okay, so what is in the paper? So what was the reply? Already you have seen, that was a notice served on the collector as a representative of his majesty's government, and what is that? Asking them to quit India or face the consequence. Okay, up to there we have completed. I think you don't have any doubt. Okay, so come to the next one. 20th one. Okay, Suman and another boy turned up. Okay, already they have completed everything. Okay, already they just noticed. Okay, they have given the letter. Okay, this incident Mohan said to the Babu and Manju. Okay, after that what happened? So when they are discussing, okay, both of I think three were discussing. Okay, Manju, Babu and Mohan, okay. So at the same time, okay, Suman and another boy turned up after they had finished their dinner that night. The boy started in with a large newspaper covered parcel in his hands, okay. So at the same time, okay, when they had completed their dinner, so some two characters are coming, okay. Suman already has seen, and also another boy also is, that's the next character, but name is not mentioned, okay. So you need not worry, okay. So when they had finished their dinner, Suman and another boy turned up, arrived, okay, after they had finished their dinner, okay. Then what happened? The boy staggered. So what is the staggered? With the heavy objects, carrying with the heavy objects, okay. What is the staggered? Meaning is just the walk as if he might fall, okay, he fall because of the heavy weight, okay, because of the heavy object he was carrying. Heavy object means heavy bag or something, okay, something is carrying, okay. So what is that? In with a large newspaper covered parcel in his hand, okay, just like something is there in his hand, okay, one parcel, okay, with the it is covered with the newspaper, okay. So what is that? Let us see, okay. So come to the 21. Here let me help you, said Mohan, okay, when they okay, because they are on the outside, okay, and also they are waiting in front of the house, okay, and suddenly Mohan replied, okay, already they had completed the dinner, and suddenly Mohan saw they are waiting, okay, they are standing in front of the house carrying with the heavy object, okay, covered with the newspaper, okay. So suddenly, here let me help you, said Mohan, okay. My room, okay, Amma, and also just like my room, okay, just like Mohan is asking, my room, is it okay? He is asking to Amma, okay, is it okay? So suddenly what was the reply of mother? 22. No, I think the puja room is better. So suddenly mother said, so I think your room is not good. Better we can go to the puja room. Okay, that is good idea. That is better. Okay, and a light there will look more normal, and also there will be a good light, and also the light there will look very, I think, more normal. We can say, okay, normal. Okay. So suddenly what happened? 23. Right, as usual, Amma, the puja room then, okay. So then that's enough, okay. The puja room is fixed, okay, because there is light, and also the light will look more normal. So we can fix the puja room, okay. So no need to come into my room, okay. So they wanted to keep that object. So what is in the object that you are going to see, okay. So something object they are carrying now. Suman and another boy turned up, and so they are carrying one just like a heavy object. So what is that object covered with the newspaper that we are going to see, okay. Okay. So come to the, already they fixed the puja room. Then what happened? 24. The boy went away after whispered conversation with Suman, and also the one who came with the Suman. One another boy came, no? Okay, the boy went away. Already he has gone. Okay, after a whispered conversation. Whispered means just like a whispering, just like after the conversation. Okay, with the Suman. Okay, with the Suman. Okay, because he is coming with the Suman, no? And so they made a conversation between both of them. Now after that, he has gone. The boy who came with the Suman. Okay. Then what happened? Then Suman, Amma and Mohan went into the small puja room. Babu and Manju stared. Okay, stared means fixedly, look fixedly. Okay, stared curiously over their shoulders at the mysterious parcel, which turned out to be cyclostyle. Okay, cyclostyling machine. Okay, so after that, what happened? The Suman already he has gone. The boy who came with the Suman, he has gone already. Then after that, Suman, Amma and Mohan went into the puja room. Okay, they are carrying with that heavy object. Okay, with the covered with the newspaper. Okay, so already they entered into the room. At the same time, Babu and Manju, they were observing how, stared curiously, very observant, just like what is that? Look fixedly, just like concentrating them only, point out them. Okay, and over their shoulders, that is okay. What they are looking, point out in, just like what is that? Their shoulders at the mysterious parcel. Okay. So what is that mysterious parcel? Okay. So what is the secret in that parcel? Okay. They are observing. So what is the word they used? Stared curiously. Look very fixedly or very carefully. Curiously we can say. Parcel which turned out to be a cyclostyle. Okay. Cyclostyling machine. And also what is, which is turned out to be. Turned out means already they opened maybe. Okay. So when they are seeing, that is a, what is that parcel? Cyclostyling machine. So what is cyclostyling machine? That is in the olden, which is in the tradition they used for copies, no? Just like what we are using for just like copies, no? Printer machine, like okay. What is a cyclostyling machine? A machine used in the past to make many copies of a letter or document quickly. What you are seeing in the, just like a printer, like okay. So in the olden days, in the past they used this thing. Okay, cyclostyling machine. And also that is the cyclostyling machine. Okay, so Babu, okay, suddenly after that Babu said Mohan, okay, as they settled down to work. Okay, so already they are just like doing something. Okay, Mohan is ready to do something. Okay, Mohan and Amma and Suman. Okay, both I think the three are there, but they are doing something. Okay, because they are ready to do. Okay, so at the same time Babu called, okay, sit out in the front room and keep a watch. And also when they are doing, before Mohan said to Babu, okay, it's like a Babu, you do one thing, you just go and stay in front of the home. Okay, and also you just sit in the corridor or just like in front of the home and the veranda, no? There you can stay. Okay, so Babu said Mohan, as they settled down to work, sit in the front room and keep a watch. And also you just look if anybody is coming from outside. Okay, and give us a warning if anyone seems to be coming to our house. And also if anybody is coming from outside, you just give us a warning. Okay, so we can understand if anybody is coming, because this is a mysterious parcel and also we have to do with this something. Okay, do with something. Okay, that's only if anybody is coming, you just inform. So you just sit in the room. Okay, just in front of the house. Okay, this means the veranda or just like in the room. Okay, because which can be seen outside. Okay, that's it. Okay, then Manju, go to bed, or else he went on. Okay, noticing her crestfallen. Okay, crestfallen face. And also crestfallen means what? Just like a disappointment or sad, we can say already. Just like a, what is that moment? Okay, you just a warning. Okay, you just sit in the corridor and also you give us a warning if anyone seems to be coming to our house. Okay, then what happened? Manju, go to bed, or else he went on, noticing her crestfallen face. And also Manju, just like a Amma or my Mohan said, okay, just to Manju, we just go to bed. Okay, go to bed, or else he went on. Okay, he went on, noticing her crestfallen face. Okay, otherwise he will also sit with the, just like maybe both of them sit with together and also they will make something. They won't notice anybody is coming from outside. Okay, that's it. And also you sit here in a hall and pass on Babu's warning to us. And also next one again she said, okay, the Amma and Mohan said, okay, you sit here in the hall and pass on Babu's warning to us. And also you can sit with the, you need not, okay, Manju, it's like they are saying that Manju, you need not sit with the Babu, you can sit in the center of the row. And also if Babu is giving any information, you just pass to us. Okay, that's what they said. Okay, then what happens? Amma, okay. Amma, Suman and Mohan go to work at once. Manju peered, okay, peered to them from the hall. Peered means what is that? Look with the difficulty, okay. Peered means look with the difficulty, okay. Then what happened? Amma, Suman and Mohan go to work at once because they are continuously, they are doing something, okay, because with that parcel, okay, they are doing something, and also they are doing something, and one machine is a cyclo styling machine, okay, with this they are doing something, and also they are making many copies, something, they are doing like something, okay. So what is that? You will see, okay. And also what happened? Amma, Suman and Mohan go to work at once. Manju peered at them from the hole. Peered means it's like a look with the difficulty, and also when they are doing all those things, he is just like a looking with the difficulty because something is there, okay. So something she felt, okay, Manju, okay. Then what happened? In a little while she began to feel drowsy. So, drowsy means what? Just like a look with the difficulty, sleeping, or just like a sleepy mode, or we can say sleepy or half sleepy, because she is sitting in the center of the room alone, and also she felt sleepy, half sleep, okay. So and had to struggle not to doze off, and so she is struggling not to doze off. Doze means already to fall asleep, but somehow she managed it. That's what it is saying. Had to struggle not to doze off. Doze off means the meaning is fall asleep, okay. So she is managed to control because already they entrusted one duty, okay. If anybody is coming, you just inform, okay. Already Babu is outside, and also outside means the first room, maybe the outside, and also she is sitting the center of the room, and also they are in the puja room, okay. So if anybody is coming, just give the information, okay. So she felt asleep, just like what you can drowsy, and also anyway she managed it, okay. So what happened? 27. Babu sat outside alert and attentive, and also Babu is already in the outside, no? And also Babu sat outside alert and very attentive, and also if anybody is coming, he is looking here and there, okay, because it's very alert, okay. Be alert like this. Okay, he felt a thickening in his throat. Thickening in his throat means what? What's the meaning? Thickening, just like a felt suddenly excited and emotional, and so he became very emotional and very excited because he has the fear, because they are doing something inside, and also he became very tense and also very anxiety, okay, anxious. It was a beginning, okay. It was beginning, just beginning only. So what is that? And at last he was doing something, okay. So at last he was doing something as normal, okay. Then what happened? Suddenly he tensed. So why he tensed? Suddenly somebody is coming outside on the gate, okay. So somebody is coming. What is that? You see in the gate, okay. So suddenly he tensed. A man riding a bike stopped right outside their gate, and also somebody is there in front of the gate, and also what is that? Man riding a bike stopped right outside their gate. Then what happened? Yes, he was getting off already. He's getting off already. He was there, and also he stopped the bike, and also he getting off. He was getting off. Then what happened? He was opening their gate, and also not only getting off, he opening their gate. Okay, he was opening their gate. Then what happened? Babu flung himself inside. Manju turned a startled face to him. So suddenly when he is just opening the gate, the Babu flung means just like a move, okay, move very fastly, okay, himself inside. Then Manju turned a startled face to him. Startled means what? Startled means sudden or shock, okay, because already he is coming very fastly and also moving inside the room, okay. So suddenly when she is seeing the face of Babu, she became very shocked, okay. So shock, okay. That's only Manju turned a startled means shock, okay, shock face to him. So come to the 28th one. So someone is coming in. Babu replied, okay. Babu informed to Mohan, okay, those who are sitting in the puja room. Already in the beginning, Mohan said, okay, if anybody is coming, you just inform me, okay. You just sit in the room, okay, in front of the room, okay. Just like in this season, Babu said Mohan, just like a sit out in the front room and keep watch, and also he is keep watching, okay, just like watching if anybody is coming. So and last he found somebody is standing in front of the gate, and suddenly he informed to Mohan, okay, someone is coming in. So suddenly those who were in the sitting in the puja room, they shocked. Okay, so there was silence, complete silence. And also those who are sitting in the puja room, the three faces looked at him. Okay, who is coming from outside? Okay, who is there? Okay, so they look. Okay, the three faces look at him. Okay, who is there? Okay. So suddenly what happened? Then Amma got up and came. Suddenly Amma got up from the puja room and came out. Not only Amma, followed by Mohan, and also Mohan also came out from the puja room. And also Suman stayed inside, and Mohan closed the door of the room. Okay, so Suman stayed inside, and also already Suman is in the puja room, and also they closed. Okay, Mohan closed the room. Why he closed? Because something is there, some mysterious parcel is kept inside the room, and also they are doing something with that. And also they are afraid because somebody is coming from outside. If anybody is coming inside the room, they will see. That's why they close the puja room. Okay, that's what. And also Manju, then 30th one, Manju to bed. Babu, you too. And also Manju from the bed. Okay, she is calling to Babu. Okay, you can also come inside. Okay, you can also come there. Okay, because he is sitting the first room, maybe the first room. He is sitting in the center of the room. Okay, maybe. So Manju is also calling. Okay, from the bed. Okay, Babu, you too, come inside. Okay, so 31, there was a knock at the door. Suddenly the man who is coming from outside, he knocked at the door. Then what happened? Babu rushed to his room, and also Babu became very scared. Okay, and also suddenly Babu rushed to his room by the hearing of knocking. Okay, knocking the door. Okay, so unrolled his bed. Suddenly when he entered into the room, he unrolled the bedroll. Unrolled means just like a rolling bed, no? So unrolled. Okay, unrolled the bedroll and threw himself on it. He laid on this. Okay, that's it. Then what happened? Then suddenly Amma asked, okay, who is there? Just like in a stern voice, who is there? Mohan, go and see who it is. And also Amma said to Mohan, go and see who is it is. Okay, who it is. Then what is that? The okay, Manju, who had got into her bedroom, noticed that though Amma's voice was steady, her hands trembled. And also from the bed itself, she is observing her mother, and also just like the mother is saying, who is there in a steady? Okay, just like the voice was very steady, but her hands was trembling. Trembling means shaking because of the fear, because they kept something inside in the puja room. That's why her hands trembling. Okay, she doesn't know who is that. That's okay. Then what happened? Mohan came in saying, Amma, it's Patil, the sub-inspector. So suddenly Mohan already opened the door, and also he realized, okay, and he is coming back and was saying to Amma, Amma, it's Patil, the sub-inspector. Okay, so the suddenly sub-inspector, okay, who is standing in front of the house, he is saying, I haven't come to trouble you. Okay, I haven't come to trouble you. Okay, just like I came for just visiting. Okay, I just come for visiting. Okay, we can say. And as a strange voice said, okay, your husband was my friend in school. And so he is saying, okay, I haven't come to trouble you. Your husband, okay, was my friend in school. Just like I am a friend of your husband. Okay, that's what the police, the inspector is saying to Amma. Okay. Then Amma got up quickly and went out. Okay, after hearing this one, Amma got up. Okay, suddenly Amma got up and went out. Okay, already she went out. Okay. Then Manju waited a moment and followed her. So after that, with Amma, she also came. Okay, came with the followed by her. Okay, so came with the Amma. Then what happened? There was Babu coming out of his room, and also Babu is already in the room, and also he is also coming out because he also wanted to know who is that. Okay, who is there? So making a show. What is show? Show means doing something in a way that it makes other people notice it. So just like he is acting, just making show of having woken out of a deep sleep, just like a woken out of a deep sleep, just like acting. That's what. Then what happened? The man was saying to Amma, yes, we were in school together. Then suddenly Amma replied, oh, he was with you. Okay, both of your classmates. This Amma is saying, okay. So then Amma asked, okay, Amma asked to Patil Saab, okay, please Patil Saab, said Amma rather impatiently. Impatiently means out of it, just like there is no patience, just like please Patil Saab, just like impatiently, because he is of the fear, because already she knows that something is inside, and also this is an inspector, no? That's why she is impatient. Impatient means out of fear, okay, just like she is having the fear, okay, and so she asked, okay, please Patil Saab, okay, tell me why you are here. Tell me why you are here. Then what was the reply of police, it is like this. There is going to be search of your house, and suddenly the police replied, okay, there is going to be a search on your house. Okay, then suddenly Amma asked, when? Okay, so up to this, it's clear for you. So when, I think we can continue the story. Okay, the very next class. Okay, so already we can finish with this. Okay, when? Okay, so there is a search in your house. So when? Okay, we can finish with this. Okay, so with this I am going to wind up this session. So thank you.